How to set up an EliteSingles account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for elitedating.com. It will land you on this official page of Elite. Well, you can simply log into your account if you have already created your account. But if you haven't created any of the account, click on Join Now. It will redirect you to this page. You have to fill up some of the informations. First of all, enter your username, your email address. After that, create one suitable password, select the gender, and then click on Continue at the bottom right. Now again, you have to fill up all of these informations. Enter your real name, your location, your birth date, and other appearance details. Once you have given all the informations, here at the bottom, for the confirmation, you have to enter the letters that is given here. And once you are done, click on Join at the bottom right. Once you click on Join, your Elite Dating app will be created successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can set up EliteSingles account. Make sure to hit the smash button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.